Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited because today I have my Fabfitfun edit sale. This is the fall edit sale, and if you don't know about Fabfitfun, they are a lifestyle box that does quarterly boxes, and they are $49.95 or $45.95 if you sign up annually. And if you do, in between their boxes, which come out spring, summer, fall, and winter, they do sales. And they sell things at up to 70% off. And you just go in and you purchase them and they send them to you. And that's what this is. And before I get too started, I would like to say kudos to Fabfitfun because this is a smaller box and it is chock full. It's super heavy. And in the past, before they redesigned all of their shipping and everything, this would have come in a monstrous box with tons of packaging. And I love that they are reducing their packaging. So I just thought I would say shout out to Fabfitfun for that. So let's cut into this and see what I've got. I remember buying a few things, but I don't remember what everything is. And they have such a variety because they have household items and cleaning items and makeup and skincare, just a little bit of everything. And I start off in the beginning. What you do is you put what you want in your cart, and the minute it's in your cart, you get it. But they don't bill you for about a week. So you can go in over the course of that week and take things out, or if you find other things, put them in. And I do that on the first day because some things do sell out. If I think I'm gonna like it at all, I put it in my cart, and then over the course of a couple of days, I weed through it. But let's see where I ended up with. I tried to use some restraint. This is what my box looks like on the inside, and there was a nice puffy thing on top, so it should be well protected. So let's dig right in. I have right on top the Laundress Denim Wash. Last edit sale, I purchased for my mom the Laundress wool cleaner because she knits so much, and I thought it would be neat for her to try. And I got myself, I think it's like the number 40 just laundry detergent, and it smelled so good. And this was a denim wash this month, so I thought, well, that might be fun to try. So let's see what it smells like. Good and sealed. So how are you guys doing out there? It's been so hot here, and finally it has turned cold. I mean, to the point where I had to go looking for jackets. I'm so excited. I love fall once it's truly fall. Oh, it smells so good and clean. Oh, it really does. Let's see what it says on the back. We invest a lot in our denim, so it's important to care for it properly. Their unique blend of detergent, fabric softener, and color guard cleans and softens while preserving color, leaving your jeans feeling soft and looking finished. So it's in their classic scent, which is a blending of lily of the valley, jasmine, and sweet musk, sandalwood, and a touch of citrus. So that explains it. And this is what that looks like. And it is 16 fluid ounces. I don't think the paperwork, unfortunately, I don't think it tells me how much it cost. I will do just like I do in my other videos. I will put below what it normally would have cost and what we paid for it on the edit sale. Next, I have shampoo and conditioner. I am always looking for a nice new shampoo and conditioner, and we seem to be getting more in our boxes to try, but I haven't found one that I love yet. So I thought I would try this, and it is the Marula Weightless Moisture Conditioner and Weightless Moisture Shampoo. Nourishes, illuminates, and protects all hair types. And it's got colored technology in case someone happens to be, coloring their hair. Other than your hair looking fantastic, one of the most important things for me with shampoo is that it smells good. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells very nice. Just kind of clean and shampooey. Yeah, nothing that I could specifically pick out, just a nice clean shampoo scent. And the back of it says that the Marula Clean gently cleanses. It replenishes moisture with its unique blend of nutrients, marula oil, and other ultra lightweight oils that nourish thirsty hair from within without leaving a buildup behind. See, that is exactly what I need because I'm getting to the point where my hair is starting to feel a little dry at the bottoms. I think it might be age. But it's so fine that I can't use anything that really weighs it down. So I read about these and was very intrigued by them, and they are 8.79 fluid ounces each. Next I have I think I got this in my last one too. It is the Poo-Pourri Before You Go toilet spray, and this one is in vanilla mint. I think these are normally like $16, but during the sale they are $7, and I love keeping them in my guest bathroom. Enough said. Next I have, also for my hair, the DP Hue ACV Easy and Naturally Detangling Apple Cider Vinegar Leave-In Hair Therapy. I feel like I need a nap. And this is 6.5 fluid ounces. And that is what it looks like. And it is a spray. It does not smell like vinegar. I have never found the DP Hue things to actually smell like vinegar. And generally apple cider is so good for your hair. This says that the DP Hue uses the power of apple cider vinegar to restore the pH and health of your hair from damage caused by chemical processing and environmental exposure. While gently conditioning, it closes the cuticle for easy and natural detangling, leaving the hair soft and shiny with a long-lasting silky feel that doesn't weigh hair down. Infused with argan oil, macadamia oil, dandelion extract, aloe vera, and more. It says that it helps retain moisture while fighting frizz, and it's color safe, sulfate free, silicone free, gluten free, paraben free, and cruelty free. Next, I have a little bag, and I thought this was so cute. I really try when I go off shopping now, I try and be super aware of taking a reusable bag so that they don't always have to use a bag. I'm very good about it with grocery shopping, but I'm even trying to get better at, like Nordstrom and places like that. And this is a cute Kate Spade bag, and it's just daisies in a green background, and it fits right in here. Oh, if I take it out, I wonder if I can get it back in. Oh, so it completely comes out. I like that. Sometimes they're attached to the bag that you have to zip them back up in. So this is what the bag looks like. It is a great size. I hope you guys can see that. That is a fantastic size to like slip a shoebox in, say for example, or a good size Sephora bag. Just throwing out ideas and options. And it's really lightweight, but it feels sturdy. I am very pleased with this. I'll set that over here and I will fold her back up later. Next, I have the Isle of Paradise. Okay. This is forever going to go down as the summer, and now it's turned into fall, that I bought a million tanning products and never tanned. But see, with these, I thought I might. Part of the reason I don't tan is because I don't ever want to not use my lotion. And I thought with this, the beauty is you take a couple of drops of this, you can put it in your lotion, and it self-tans you. And it's the Isle of Paradise medium self-tanning drops. Face and body. Just FYI, I'm not using this on my face. My fingers feel a little moist. I don't feel like it dripped. And this is what it looks like. And it's a cute little dropper, and it's 1 ounce. And in theory, it is a little sticky. You just do a drop in with your moisture. I feel like I've gotten a little bit on my fingers now, so when I'm doing my next few videos and these tips of these fingers are orange, just remember this moment right here. Oh boy. Okay, next I have BFF, Brow Friends Forever, and it's from The Beauty Crop, and it's Grow and Groom Brow Gel. I have noticed, very sadly, that my eyebrows seem to be going away. And while I have never tried any kind of growth serum on my brows or my lashes, I thought this would be a great way to start. And it is just a little tube that you put on, and it's got a little, I have my makeup on, so I don't think I should use this, but it has a tiny little bristled brush. And you just do it just like brow gel. And you can do it on your brows or your lashes, as I recall. Let's see what the box says. Enriched with nourishing vitamin E and conditioning castor oil, our brow gel is your true BFF when it comes to volumizing, defining, oh, it must be British, volumizing has an S in it. Shout out to all my Brit friends. Defining and taming your brows without looking stiff. Used alone or with powder, It sets hairs into whatever shape you want. Apply the gel in short upward strokes following the direction of hair growth. So we will see if that makes any kind of difference. And last but not least, I have a AG Hair Rose Hip Balm Hair Dry Lotion. Box is a little the worse for wear, but that doesn't matter because it's not a gift for me. This is what the tube looks like. It's a pretty good sized tube. It says it's only 3 ounces. That is really big for 3 ounces. I don't even remember exactly what this does. Let's read about it. Makes both blow drying and air drying more manageable. Rose hip oil helps smooth, calm, and seal the hair cuticle. Organic apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, mango seed butter, and hydrolyzed quinoa help eliminate frizz while adding shine and elasticity. Apply a quarter-sized amount to clean, damp hair, focusing more on the ends. Comb hair and blow dry or air dry. Style as usual. So it's just another way to seal my cuticle and hopefully help ends from breaking and keep everything really moist. Let's see what it looks like. Oop, it's sealed, but it has one of the little pointy things because it's metal, if I didn't mention that. Put a little tiny hole in it. And it's just a white cream. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells very nice. What is that? I don't know. It just smells very, oh, it's really soft. I don't mind that as a lotion. My hair's gonna love it. Oh, I can smell citrus in it now. Did I mention citrus? So I went looking for what the scent can be, and it could be anything. It has rose hip oil, it has vinegar, apricot fruit extract, peach extract, apple extract, mango seed butter, coconut oil. So it's real fruity. It's just fruity and clean. I like it a lot. Oh. It's trying to get out on its own. And I just picked up this box to chuck it in the other box, and it says 98%, really big on the side, and it says 98% plant-based and naturally derived ingredients, including, and then a lot of the ones that I just listed. So it is 98% plant-based. That seems really good. Seems very natural. So that is it. That is what I did for my Fabfitfun fall edit. I got a nice laundry detergent, a nice hair balm, some Tan Me Up drops, the Make My Brows Thicker. See, these are the expectations, not actually the names of the products. The DP Hue Make My Hair Shiny, some very nice Keep the Moisture in My Hair and Don't Weigh It Down products, and some, it's okay, it still smells nice. All right, guys, feeling a little silly. Oh, and don't forget, over here, my Kate Spade bag, so I don't have to take the bags that are bad for the environment. All right, thank you so much for being here, guys. I hope that you enjoyed seeing my products. If you have any questions about anything that I just kind of glossed over here at the end, let me know. And soon, I bet we will be talking about Fabfitfun Winter. I bet it's sooner than later, because it's already getting cold outside, so you know it's going to sneak right up on us. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. And by the way, if I am not already when I post this, it looks like I am very soon going to be at 3K, so I am going shopping. I seem to be getting a lot of split answers between skincare and makeup, so I think I might pick up one of each and then let whoever wins pick which they want. Seems like a pretty good idea, right? I like it. All right, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye. So that I don't have to take throwawayable bags.